Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing this baseball practice net that I got for the kids. It's a great way to entertain your kids, keep them busy at home while playing a sport. They want to learn how to play baseball, so this is perfect. So they can hit the ball and practice, and that way the ball won't go everywhere. This will actually catch the balls, and then you can easily clean it up. You can fold this, it's portable, you can take it everywhere you go. It also has a tee for holding the balls. So for catchers, if you want to learn how to do how to throw and stuff, like this is easy. You fill this with the balls. No, just one. So this is cool. The kids love this. It has a tee to help them bat. So they put it on top and you can adjust this. So like for the baby, I can push this lower, just like that. So we can put the ball there and then he can learn how to hit it. You want to show everybody how you do it? Yeah, so we go like this. Let's go like this. Like this. And go. So just like that. It also has, as they get older, it has the strike, um, uh, things over here, the netting, so that way they can learn to hit the middle. It has another one. Comes with a bag. You can put everything away and store it and take it wherever you want to go. So highly recommend this product. It's a great thing to have at home for your kids. And we hope you enjoy. Bye.